What tool is used to drive nails into wood? Which tool is best for measuring long distances accurate? Which tool would you use to tighten or loosen a bolt? What material is typically used with a saw? Which tool is used to make holes in wood or walls? What is the purpose of a screwdriver? Which tool helps you to sand down rough surfaces? What is a tape measure primarily used for? Which tool would you use to cut through metal pipes? What tool do you need to check if something is level? Which tool is best for unclogged sinks? What is a claw hammer used for, besides driving nails? Which tool is typically used to measure precise angles? What would you use a chisel for?